Hey everybody, Jason Bermas here with another Punk Rock Politics Report, and today we're going to be talking about drone technology. Now, most people are familiar with drone technology because currently it's what we're using to bomb brown people in countries in the Middle East. And we don't really think about it here too much. But folks, I assure you, the Department of Homeland Security and the other apparatuses used in this country, like the FBI, the fusion centers, your local state troopers and sheriff departments, are also ready to employ this technology. And now, at about the price of $4 million a unit, yes, your taxpayer dollars, DARPA and the Pentagon have brought us the 6.5-inch, 19-gram Hummingbird drone. Yes, we're going to be funding our own enslavement, ladies and gentlemen, because I assure you, there are no hummingbirds in the desert. So who is this for? Well, it's for you and me, the dissidents, the protesters, the activists, the people that want to ensure that our Constitution, which has already been shredded, does not go into the fire pits. So again, this isn't even the first time we've had this in this country. Lord knows what they're not showing us, because really they're acclimating us here. You see, the CIA has already used this kind of technology, having drones be disguised as animals. We had Charlie the catfish, and back in the 70s, they actually had the Dragonfly Insecticopter micro UAV. So again, they're just expanding on this technology, getting you used to being spied on, and one day, those drones that are in the sky killing innocent men, women, and children overseas in the Middle East, folks, they're coming here. They're coming to America, and at our expense. So be aware. And you can check all my stuff out over at facebook.com/Jason Bermas, or you can check me out over at my YouTube channel, youtube.com/JasonJustice911. Thank you all.